Good everyone, good lovely people, the great minds, the physical thinker, and welcome to this class. Now we have this one to deal with. It says if x plus 2 and x minus 1 are factors of the expression lx cubed plus 2kx squared plus 24, find the values of L and Q. Now f of x is what? Is equals L x to the power 3 plus 2kx to the power 2 plus 24. And we have two factors. It says x plus 2 and another one is x minus 1. Now x is either minus 2 from this one, or x is either what? 1 from this one. Now we substitute the first one, which is f of minus 2. So f of minus 2 to this thing, we have L into minus 2 to the power 3 plus 2k into minus 2 to the power 2 then plus 24. And this is equal to minus 8L, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, and it's minus, then plus 2 times 2 4, which is 2 squared is 4, then 4 times 2 is 8, plus 8k, and then plus 24. And if it is a factor, that means it will be equal to what? 0. Right? Now, if you look at this thing, okay, if you look at this, we can use 2 to divide, so that it will be, we can use 8 to divide 2 so that it will be simpler. So 8 here, we have minus L plus k, then plus what? Plus 8 to 24 is what? 3. And this is the same thing as k minus L is equal to minus what? 3. Right? So let's look for, this is equation 1. This is equation 1. Now let's substitute 1. So f of 1 is equal to L into 1 to the power 3 plus 2k into 1 to the power 2 then plus 24. And this is equal to L, because 1 times 1 times 1 is still 1, plus 2k plus 24 is equal to what? 0, because it is a factor. So we have that 2k plus L is equal to minus 24. And this is equation 2. Now let's bring them together. Equation 1 and equation 2. We have equation 2 is 2k plus L is equal to minus 24. And equation 1 is k minus L is equal to minus what? 3. Now we add them together. We add 2k plus k. We have what? 3k. Then plus L plus minus L is like plus L minus L, and that one is gone. So this is equal to minus 24 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 27. Now k now is equal to minus 27 divided by 3 over 3. That is equal to what? Minus 9. So getting the value of k. Now to get the value of L, you substitute this to equation 1. That is substitute k equal to minus 9 in equation I. And equation I is what? K minus L is equal to minus 3. And then when L is minus 9, that means minus 9 minus L equal to minus 3. And then we have that minus L is equal to, take 9 to the other side, we have 9, okay, we have minus 3 plus 9. And then minus L is equal to what? 6. Now to eliminate this minus, you multiply both sides by minus, and when you do, you have that L is equal to what? Minus 6. So therefore, L is equal to minus 6 and K is equal to what? Minus 9. C'est fini. C'est fini.